I'm going to make salsa, and I make the salsa in two parts. One is the salsa part with the cooked peppers, tomatoes, and the other is the sofrito part. And these are the ingredients for the sofrito, which will not be cooked. And here are the parts. The ingredients are salt, garlic, habanero peppers, which will not be cooked. The other peppers will be. Juice from limes. Over here I have onions, and they'll be raw. This is Chinese bouillon powder, cilantro, and this is a monster commercial food processor that'll grind them all up. I begin by peeling the onions. I cut them into quarters and then put the quarters into the blender bowl. Now that the onions are peeled, I'm going to cut them into quarters. Toss them into the bowl. Before I knock the peels off, I cut the ends off. Notice I'm using a cleaver. And the reason is the cleaver has a little more heft to it. And this garlic is extremely tough. The cleaver can go right through it. And this, you can see this goes fairly quickly. In case you were wondering, this is a Dexter cleaver. It's very, very nice. And this is my most used knife. It's called the Dexter Russell chef's knife. It's an 8-inch. But it's got the perfect weight and size. It's extremely sharp. It's been a very, very reliable knife over the years. So I like the Dexter products. And it hasn't, because I didn't try others. I've got all kinds of high-end knives, Wusthof, what else? Got Henkel's, you name it. I've tried them all, and this has the right weight, feel, and it's sharp. So it's a very, very nice knife to use. Next, I need to remove the skins, and I know that most videos use a knife. I don't. I use this meat tenderizer hammer. You can see it does a great job. It's quick, pulled the onions out. I'm going to put the garlic in first. Let's see, quite a bit. Then I'll throw the onions in. On top of that, I'm going to add cilantro, habaneros, lime juice, that's Chinese bouillon powder, and salt. You can see I have 3 bunches of cilantro, but by the time you cut them down, it's not as much as you think. I'll be damned. Turns out that was Italian parsley, not cilantro. My bad. You should have looked. So what I'm going to do, I took the parsley out. I'm going to process what I have and pick up the cilantro tomorrow and add it back in. The stores are closed right now. These are habanero peppers, sometimes called Scotch bonnets, I guess. And boy, they are hot. And in they go. Now I need some lime juice. And this is one of the best ways I know to do it. There we go. And you can see I have some lime juice in there. So next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. Probably a couple tablespoons of this stuff. It's like a secret ingredient right here. That looks pretty good. That's enough. And that's it. Pour the lime juice over that. Grind it up. There's the lime juice. You can see them. Pour it around there over the salt, bouillon powder.